Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And it's that time of year again. It's May, it's springtime, and it's time to wash all that winter dirt off your airplane. Now, there's a variety of ways you can do it. One, you can leave it out on the ramp and hope for a rainstorm like this that will wash off some of the dirt. But to really get the dirt off, you're going to need to apply a little bit of mechanical pressure with a hand and a rag and maybe some environmentally friendly soap, and then rinse your airplane really well, dry it off so you'll have no water spots, and you're good to go to fly for the summer. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be having our annual spring plane wash at Hogan Field this coming Saturday from 10 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You bring your dirty airplane. We'll have soap, bucket, rags, water, and places to wash. Oh, and by the way, just as another inducement, we're going to be having food. So get ready for stuff off the grill. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. And if you go to a web browser and you type in aircraft cleaning products, pages will pop up, and here's a page from Aircraft Spruce. You've got windshield cleaners, you've got all kinds of cleaners, and then there are people who advocate like just washing your airplane with Pledge. Don't use water, don't pollute the environment, just spray Pledge on and rub it off. And it does really good on plexiglass because it doesn't cause the plexiglass to get cloudy. So that's one methodology of cleaning your airplane, but most of us like to use water. And we just hose our airplanes down, get them good and wet, spray on some soapy water, and then we apply a little bit of mechanical pressure with a rag, and we wipe all the dirt off, and then we rinse it, and then we come back and we dry it. It's a very simple process. We've been doing it on our cars, our bicycles, since we were kids, so it's not a hard process. Now, again, every once in a while you get lucky, like just a couple of years ago at the spring clean. This is how our morning started off. We had a rain shower, came through and wet everything, and by the time the event started off, it was perfectly dry. So sometimes you just get lucky. But you wouldn't want to be flying in this. Though there are people I know who wait for a rainstorm, fly into the edge of it, and use the rain to abrade the bugs and all off their airplane. Unfortunately, unless your paint is very good and very solid, it's a way to chip all the paint off your airplane. And we have a video of that, of an airplane that through a thunderstorm, IFR, and it was not very pretty when it got on the ground. No bending to the airplane, but a lot of paint came off all the leading edges. And as in any event that we have at the GPA, we're going to have food. So we will bait you in with having some good food. We have some colorful shirts. We have plenty of parking. And we're going to be washing the airplanes on the back side of T11. That's the western taxiway behind us. We have a lot of room. We'll be running a hose out there with some couplers so 3 or 4 people can wash at one time. And again, we'll have your buckets, your soap, your towels, and everything else you need. So just bring yourself, your dirty airplane. And since we do have the grill and we do know how pilots like to affect their weight and balance, we will be having food for folks to eat, as well as beverages, pop, and water. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's basically what you can expect for this coming Saturday. It's only 6 days away. But we looked at the long-range weather, and we're supposed to have really good weather. It's supposed to look like this: clear blue skies, calm wind. So get a chance to run your airplane. We'll have everything laid out for you, ready to go. And the other thing we offer you is the ability to come and socialize with other pilots. So you'll be able to see and chat and get rid of some of your winter doldrums. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative about the plane wash coming this Saturday. We hope to see you there. Have a good day flying your Grumman. And finally, here's Hopscotch with Sweet Pea observing. He's playing with a little pink feathered twig. Now, the twig is made out of some material like honeysuckle. It just drives them crazy, and they love playing with it. She's resting up. As soon as he finishes, she will have her go. So enjoy them having fun.